Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you two different designs, two different material, the same rate and as usual the premium quality. One is the pistachio color combination with a magenta color combination, the Kota cotton silk saree and elegant. The second one is the Kota muslin with Kota Kora fusions with the contrast Rani pink color combination border part. The saree you received at just ₹1050, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and you can visit our website www.vastranand.in. We have more than 5000 plus designs, different category, affordable price point and premium quality, and you can download our application in Android and iOS device, both device available. So we can download our application right now, Vastranand. Let's start the video. Here you can see the first pistachio color combination with a magenta color combination. The border part Kanchi style border, you receive the both side, you receive the same size border with a magenta color combination with a golden zari weaves. Here you can see the full look of the saree. In body parts you receive the small size, the elephant fusions, the butta in entire the body part. Let me show you the closely soon. Here you can see the pallu first. In pallu part you receive the magenta color combination, golden zari weaves, the rich pallu and black color combination. There is some tassels part. Let me show you the close up look of this very elegant elephant butta is entire the body part. Here you can see the closely the elephant butta in golden zari weaves with a magenta color combination, the golden zari border in both side of the saree part with the same size designs. Here you can see the same size border in both side of the saree part with a magenta color combination and namely artistically designs in entire the border part. The saree you received at just ₹1050, free shipping all over India. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the magenta color combination, the golden zari small booties and entire the blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi our YouTube channel, and must be visit our website www.vastranand.in. You can must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand, and daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point and premium quality. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So must be connect our customer care number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer executive number. Here you can see the Kota Kora muslin saree with elegant golden zari designs in a flower gel concept in entire the body with a contrast Rani pink color combination. The cowboy views the border part. Here you can see the rich pallu with a pink color combination as well as pink color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. This premium quality Kora muslin saree you receive at just ₹1050, free shipping all over India. Here you can see the softness of this saree. If you didn't know the Kora muslin saree, then I will introduce the semi transparent material with a Kota Kora muslin saree. Here you can see in video the semi-transparent material with rich heritage designs in a golden zari weaves. Here you can see the flower designs in the entire border part as well as flower jal designs in entire the body part. The saree you received at just ₹1050, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at vastranand.in.